Some cool birds today. We start you off with a Downy woodpecker. I was able to keep it on camera for almost a minute. That's pretty good for one of these things. A whole flotilla of Mergansers. The males are the dark heads with the white bodies. The females have red heads, a little crest, and mostly gray body. I got a very short burst of following a kingfisher in flight. And we finish up with some wood duck. I've been seeing wood duck around, but I haven't, they're so skittish that I haven't gotten any pictures. These were on the far side of the pond, so they didn't quite fly away fast. But, after less than a minute of filming, they were gone.